everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to check in on my project pan. So let's get started. I got my list here. I got all my items. First of all, let's go through the two things I totally used up and can now get out. So the first is this Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I used that all the way up. It is gone, so it can go bye-bye. And also this MAC Prep and Prime. I used that one up, so it can go away. Now the last primer I have left in my project right now is this Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Here's where I was when I started. And this is the bottom line here, this one up here. So I've used that much. I'm going to mark it with a gold Sharpie this time, and hopefully by next month that one will be gone. That's all I have left, this bit up here, so I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, next is my Trestique Highlighter. If you guys watch my Chatty Get Ready With Me, you know I use it. There's where the mark was before, so let me roll it up. Let's see, let me roll it. That's it. So that is where we are now. I've used it. I've done really well. Let's mark it. My hand's a bit shaky. Quit shaking. I've done really well with this. So let me put the mark on here. Huh, made a mess. There we go. There. Done pretty good. So I am pleased with that. Maybe this will be gone by next month. That would be good. That would be good. Next, the Clinique Blush. I have not used my blush as much. Here's the mark where I marked on the lid. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, it is just barely below that line. I'm gonna wipe this up. I'm going to put that line right at the bottom of the silver line, because that is where we are, just right at the bottom. This one is taking longer to use up because I don't use it as often. I need to really be using those. Let me put them down here. Next is my gel eyeliner, which I didn't bring in here. I'm sorry I didn't bring it. You can see the bottom of the container now. It's got a pretty good size hole in it. It's not used up, so we will see it next month. You can see the big difference next month. But I have been using it, and I've used it quite a bit, so I'm sorry I didn't bring it in here. Next is my color wheel. Now I used this one a little bit, and I don't care for this. So I'm not going to bother using it anymore. I've been using this one exclusively. You still see a little bit of pattern on there. These are just, it's going to take forever. I don't know if I will hit pan this year, because I'm going to get tired of just using that one all the time. I know I am. And might, for a month or so take a break from using this, but I mean, the colors are so pretty. I might switch over and use these colors now that spring is here, and I don't know. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I think at the end of this year I might just go ahead and declutter that wherever I'm at with it, because it's, I think, from 2017 and it's 2021 now, so yeah. Okay, next is my Power Play foundation. I didn't bring the scale in here. I have been using this exclusively, so I know I've put quite a dent. Just from the feel, I feel like I have maybe this much left. I feel like I have a bit. So, we'll see next month. I don't think I'll use this up in a month. I can't see through it. Don't think I'll use it up in a month, but yeah, I'm focusing on that one. And then my Shape Tape. This Tarte Shape Tape. I have not used it at all, but no, I used it once. I can see the bottom. It's like it's almost gone. But I probably won't. It smells fine. I probably won't use this until I get a little more color in my face. I think the line is right down in here, just from looking down in there. I think I'm at the bottom. I'm almost done with this. So, but I did not. I used it once. I used it once. So, and then I didn't mark this. Bad me, but I have used it. It's my Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Let's mark it now. But yeah, I didn't mark it, but I've only used it once. So there we go. I can mark it today. Come on. Oh, getting stuff everywhere. Okay, I think we can see that. I think we can see that. So, yes, I would like to use this little lipstick up. I do like this lipstick. Okay, and then I'm adding 2 more things in this project pan, and they're small because I'm going to get these things used up. First is my Stellar Brilliant Primer. I have a ton of little primers, and I can see through this, and I'm going to mark where I see it. That's where we're at. That's how much. Okay. And then my Dior Backstage primer, and you can see that. I'm gonna mark that. That's where we are. So I'm gonna add those to my list, and that's it. That's where I'm at on my project pan. I hope y'all enjoyed this series. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.